Hey guys, so I just wanted to report on a bug and how to fix it. So many of you that use the MMOKit will notice if you go into your game, it could be the fresh MMOKit or just your own project. Whenever you kill a target, oops, you'll notice that your target stays around, correct? Now if you have your AI set to disappear after a time, your target will also disappear as soon as the body disappears. That's perfect. That's what we want, correct? So, on the other hand, if you are to run out of range to where the point that the AI disappears from sight, the bug that'll happen is now you're left with a target panel that's just unpopulated with no information. For the MMOKit default stuff, it'll just be a health bar that's left behind with an empty health bar. If you click out of it, of course, it disappears. Now, if we were to, say, have a target and we teleport out of range, you'll get the same thing as soon as it unloads over there from where the town's at, and there we go, empty. So, in order to fix this, what you want to do is you want to navigate to your player controller at the event graph. And this is the part right here. So what's happening is on event tick, checks if the client has the authority. Well, I mean, the client doesn't have authority. Then it begins this code. Just make sure your character is valid. It'll then run the sequence starting with checking is your current target valid. If it is, then check if it's been hidden, meaning you killed it and it disappeared. Go ahead and clear the target panel. On the other hand, what's happening is when you run out of range, you no longer have a current target, so it can't clear it because it's no longer valid. It's not set to hidden, it's not even valid. So this is where is not valid comes into play. You're going to create a sequence, hook it, number one, back up to where it belongs here, because it used to just go straight into here, but now we're doing a sequence. You're going to go and drag it right over here. You're going to call to the MMO instance. You're going to drag out and you're going to get your game HUD. From the game HUD, you want to get your target panel. For you, it's just going to be the normal target panel in the game HUD. For me, I have 3 different panels to choose from. Make sure it's in the game HUD. So just pretend that it just says target panel. From there, you're going to drag out is visible. You're going to branch that, and then on true, it's still visible even though you don't have a target. You're going to get your target panel. You're going to set visibility. You want this to be now hidden. And that's pretty much it. That right there will fix your problem. So if you teleport away or if you run out of sight, they will become invisible. So what we're going to do now is let's go ahead and just delete those since I've already got it. I'm just going to hook mine right back up to that. Wait for that to load. Takes a little bit longer for mine due to the fact that if I try to play an editor, too many issues arise because of all the modifications I've done, so I have to do it this way, unfortunately. Once you are loaded back in, so if I have a target, teleport back to my town. And this should completely disappear as soon as it unloads. And there we go. And the same thing if you run out of distance, it's pretty much good to go from there. So hopefully that fixes it for you guys as well, and good luck.